Hi students, this is Mrs. Heathcote and I am showing you how to open up your WeDo 2.0. All right, so the first thing you need to do is click on the circle right here where my mouse is and find your WeDo 2.0 that has this little picture right here. If you don't see it, go ahead and expand it and click through until you find it. Mine is open right here. It's going to The first page that you come to looks like this, and I want you to click through these pages. It's telling you a welcome, and it's going to do this quite a few times. So every time you open it, you do see this. And it says this is what you're going to do to build your Lego model and connect to your device. We're just going to click through here. And your homework is to go ahead and build your own code by putting together programming blocks. So you are going to do this exact thing for your homework before coming to the in-person session. All right, and we're going to just keep clicking through. We're not going to be doing any of these projects together. The very first project that we're going to do is going to press on Get Started, and we are going to build Milo. So right here, this classroom projects, it is what you're going to click. So I'm going to click right there. And now you can see the little robot head. That's actually Milo space. And it's loading. And it's going to give us an option of a lot of different things that we can do. But like I said, we get to program Milo. What you're going to do today is you're going to program it, but then when we see each other in person, you're going to build him. So we're going to press go right here. And when you are doing this on your own, you are going to press play. But let me go ahead and show you what these are. Up here is explore.1, and it tells you what the big idea of the project is. And this very first one, it's to help explore remote places in order to find a special plant specimen. This dot right here is the big question. What do scientists and engineers do when they cannot go where they want to explore? So it says, share your answers in the documentation. And I'll teach you here in a little bit how to get that documentation tool up. Here is create. Now, this is actually the create. They're wanting you to build Milo first, but like I said, we're going to be building Milo in the in-person. So we're going a little bit backwards. Here's create dot number 2. It's going to give you the instructions. You see that would start building, but we don't need that quite yet. Okay, and we're not going to connect them. We're going to this very fourth dot right here. This fourth dot is where you're going to code, and this is your homework. So this is what the coding area looks like. And our project is right here, program Milo to move forward. This right here is turning the motor. So we need to find the motor, and you can see it looks like a little speedometer like you have in your car. And it's right down here. And you're going to drag it up to right there, to the play block. And there, that's your first coding. Then you can see right here is you're telling it which way the motor's going to turn. So we're going to tell it to go ahead and turn the motor towards, they call it this way and that way. You can see that the arrow is going towards the right. Then this next block right here. So this, they want the wait block. The wait block is right here. So we want it to go ahead and wait for just 1 second. And then this box, coding block right here is that X. And we're just going to bring this one up. Oop. I took away my one block. So now let me try that again. Let's get that. The stop block. So you can see this code starts with play, turn the motor on for a speed of 8, turn it that way to the right, and then pause for 1 second and stop. That is your code. So you can see this right here is your homework. I need you just to put those 4 blocks together, and then we're going to see how Milo reacts when we connect him to your computer. All right. Thank you. Bye.